Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Teazers Cock and Ball Ring Prostate Vibrator. So let's get started. So this is the Teazers Cock and Ball Ring Prostate Vibrator itself. As you can see, it's got a very interesting design, but a very stimulating one. Now this is a prostate stimulator and cock ring in one. In this way, you can enjoy complete stimulation. You can place the stretchy rings around the semi-rigid penis and scrotum and gently insert the prostate area using some water-based lubricant. You can activate the 3 different speeds and 4 vibration patterns with the convenient wireless remote control. And thanks to the cock ring, you will enjoy a hard erection for longer and be able to stimulate yourself wonderfully. It's made of a body-safe silicone, so it's very soft and smooth on the skin. The cock rings are stretchy. Now the shaft here isn't flexible, but as you can see it has a bent design to effortlessly find your P-spot. Now the entry depth of the prostate stimulator is 7.5 centimeters and the maximum diameter is 3 centimeters. Now the flexible rings have a minimum diameter of 3 centimeters and a maximum diameter of 4.4 centimeters just here. So let's turn it on. Press and hold down at the bottom just there, and a blue light will turn on. Press once more and the vibrations begin. To use the remote control, the button with the 2 lines stops the vibrations. Press once more and they begin. Use the top button to change between the vibration settings. You can enjoy lots of fun and stimulating adventures with this prostate vibrator. To turn it off, press and hold down for a few seconds until the blue light has gone. Also provided is a USB charging cable. Charging is very simple and easy. Gently push through the silicone where the letters DC are located. Push through the silicone as this will not damage the toy and it will charge for you. Now, when using these cock and ball ring prostate vibrator, we would recommend to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. Make sure to clean the vibrator after every use, and for this we would recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Teazers Cock and Ball Ring Prostate Vibrator. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.